let's make some coupons. All right, so I am on the online side of my paparazzi store, and for affordable fashion, you're going to have the website. This is what it'll look like. Edit website, so on and so forth. Go down here to settings. Hold on, let me close that out. Go down here to settings, drop it, and then keep going. Make sure that you activate your gift card because this is free, and this is the coupons. So when you click on coupon, we're just going to create a coupon. I'm going to actually create one for today for my thankful Thursday. These are ones that I have created in the past. And I am going to go up here to the right where it says add a coupon. This is what you get. What will the customers, let me see. I can do thankful Thursday. G. All right. Right here, you'll figure out if you want it to be unlimited. But let's just say we just want it for the first 10 people. All right, you will do it for the first 10. I am going to do it as an unlimited to boost some sales today. And then this is today's date. You can see Thursday. And it is going to expire Thursday at 11:59 tonight. Now this is the great part. Do you want to give a discount in percentage, money? So when you do this drop down, you could do everybody gets $5 off, so on and so forth. We're not trying to create a sale. We're trying to, I'm not going to do the money discount. Now, I've done money discount. So if so-and-so won hostess rewards from me, I'll come in here and give them a dollar amount. So if they got 5 pieces, I will do a discount of $25, and it'll be just for them, and they get to shop because they won hostess rewards from me, and I decided to use my own inventory. But right now it's going to be free shipping. All right, free shipping off of all orders or orders over a certain amount, specific categories, specific items. You can break it all the way down. Mine is going to be over a certain amount, and it's going to be all orders over $10. All right, choose the shipping method. This is once you have set up your shipping method in the United States and its territories, I click that because that's the one that I am doing. All right. And then I hit save. And that coupon is made. All right. You can go down here. This is what I meant about the gift cards. Make sure it is enabled. All right. And then I can actually copy this link and just say, hey, everybody, if you wanted to purchase some gift cards, here they are. Use this link, takes them on over, but you would click manage, which will open this portion, and this is your setup portion. It's going to give you different ones to click on, so they have a variety of choices. Come on, computer. So here we are with our e-gift cards. And these are the ones that they can choose from. I even put my own self up there. Buy 12, get one free. So I put all of this, the different designs. All right. And you can manage your designs over here. You can add different designs. Sell e-gift cards in my store. Sell e-gift cards online. All right. You can send a marketing email. You do whatever it is that you want. Show a link to my e-gift cards in public directories. Give... on websites with partners. Okay, the reporting location is Affordable Fashion by G Brown or G Brown. It doesn't matter because they can use it. I just have multiple places. So there you go. Happy shopping. Work your business.